Hey. You think so?
Oh, fucking woolly mammoth. Oh, shit.
Dude.
There's something big. Come on, baby. Fuck, he ain't coming in.
What the fuck?
Something good. I'm gonna walk him back.
What did he hit?
Oh, no. I don't know if it was the shad or the squid. I don't know if it was the shad or the squid. It might have been the...
Might have been some tilapia. It's a red.
It's a red.
It's a red.
It's fighting like a motherfucker.
Come on, bring it in, man.
Why could be the world's smallest fucking... Oh god, I have my shark ability. Go back, here we go. Okay, he got one pound.
You gotta walk his ass in. That's a shark.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bull red, bro. I see it.
Really? It looked like a fucking shark.
No, those sharks on the base over there, Popeye.
I know, but... Oh, yeah, it is. It is. Oh, dude, it's a big one, too.
He's definitely not big enough. That's for
No.
sure.
Dude, he is pretty big, man. Oh, dude, he's pretty big, bro.
Oh, he's pretty thick. Alright. Alright, bet. Bye-bye.
My pull.
Go, go!
Get my phone!